Hello, this is Liam in for Shesh. We are building a tiny top-down survivor in Unity with AI assistance, but the line is strict. Ask for scripts, wire the scene by hand, then playtest the result. The loop is move, aim, shoot, kill, respawn, and catch game over before it ships. The problem is not making Unity produce files. The problem is keeping the AI on the safe side of the membrane. C# scripts are diffable. Scene files, prefab links, and asset GUIDs are easy to break as raw text, so the build asks for one script at a time, then tests one behavior at a time. The first useful prompt is narrow. It names the objects that already exist, the rigid body 2D setup, and the exact behavior. Move with the configured axes, use velocity and fixed update, and clamp the player inside the camera view. That prompt gives the model a small target and a clear done condition. The code receipt is real. Player movement reads input in update, applies velocity in fixed update, converts the camera viewport to world bounds, and clamps the rigid body position. Player shoot is just as narrow. Left mouse button, fire rate gate, instantiate the assigned projectile prefab, then pass direction and speed to projectile. Now the first output has to move. The clip shows the player staying in bounds, aiming with the mouse, and firing while the scene remains editor-wired by a human. That is the point of the workflow. The AI gave us text, but the game behavior only counts after someone presses play and watches it work. The revision adds the game loop. We ask for enemy health and a spawner, but still keep the boundary. No prefab authoring, no scene editing, no hidden Unity assets. The human creates the enemy prefab, assigns the field, and then the script is allowed to keep exactly one enemy alive. The second receipt is the connection code. Enemy health listens for projectile hits, destroys both objects, and reports one kill to Score Manager. The same script handles player contact by showing game over. Score Manager owns the visible text, starts time at normal speed, increments score, and freezes time on failure. The better output is the loop becoming visible. Shoot the enemy, the kill registers, and a fresh enemy comes back after the delay. This is where the clip matters more than the code listing. If the score increments twice, if the enemy never returns, or if game over does not freeze, the video should catch that because the player did. What we built is small, but the method scales. Ask for one script, attach it yourself, press play, describe the failure exactly, ask for the smallest fix. The final survivor loop is not proof that the AI understands Unity, it is proof that the human kept the build testable. Your turn, take one feature you want next and make it testable before you ask for code. For example, add a dash with a cooldown, then show only player movement.cs and ask for the smallest change. The good prompt names the current script, the expected feel, and the exact thing you will test in play mode. This was Liam in for Shesh.